In this video, I will show you how to earn money watching YouTube videos to make money online for free. First of all, we go to YouTube. Next, we need to look for viral style topics. For me, the most viral topics on YouTube are definitely games. I think games on YouTube is one of the most popular topics, if not the most viewed topics on the entire site. So what are the most popular video games? The first thing that come to my mind are games like GTA, Roblox, PUBG, and games like Minecraft. So we actually search Minecraft right here. So as you can see, there are tons of people, literally thousands, if not millions of people watching Minecraft games. If you look at their views, they have received millions of views. So a lot of people actually watch these videos. Let's jump right into this guy's channel. So it look like they basically play all things Minecraft. What I am going to do is actually check out this guy's videos and actually look at these most popular videos so I can see the most, if not all of these videos are really amazing. So this is a great example of a super viral video. The most people watch these videos, the more money you will earn, and I will explain in a few seconds why this happens. So the way this strategy works is that the more people who like these YouTube videos, the more people click and like this video, the more money we get. And so what you want to do is find the most viral video. But what does viral mean? In this context, it means something the most people are really interested in. So you want to find the world's most useful Minecraft video that you think the most Minecraft fans will actually click on. And that's because the more people click, the more money you make. So we choose this video here. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. Now what we are going to do is look at a unique site. This is a big website in this general niche. So these are the ones we should focus on that pay the most, and they are absolutely huge companies. This website is called short.st. What we're going to do is we're going to pay rate. You can see right here that in the US they pay $14, which is the highest guaranteed rate. So all you have to do is find the countries with the highest CPM. Now, as I promise, this is the first score for you, my viewers and subscribers. You can compare the thousands visitors or CPM of this site to similar sites. You will find the short has the highest CPM. So there are different URL shortened services that pay you per click. So here we just copy our URL and paste it on this site. We get paid when they click on this link. A person who clicks on that link will be shown an intermediary ad, which means you get paid to show that ad. So the only thing we have to do here is to click on join and just enter the email and password and agree to all the terms and select the option I am not a robot and click to register. After entering your dashboard, you can shorten your link in this section. You can also withdraw your money from the top of the page. But where to post this link? We discussed how to find a viral topic that many people might be interested is now where can we put the shortened link where a lot of people are likely to click on it so we can actually get paid. After copying our link, we go to a platform called Minecraft from .net. Here we see that Minecraft has millions of Minecraft who come here every day to discuss Minecraft topics. As you can see in some of the recent from threads are active, so have we go to the from section where we can see that there are many posts. Only in this particular from are their recent updates and snapshots of the discussion. So what we're going to do is open up these individual forums right here and post and share your link in this forum. Of course, you should not send your like immediately after registration because it will case you to be removed from this forum. You must first discuss in these forums and then share your link with others. Share more suggestion is to use a blog and put your link in that blog and share your blog post addresses in these forums because the famous are equipped with anti-spam system. Therefore, using this strategy, you can make money online wherever you are in the world.